Need an extra set of hands in the shop? Armor Tools' new jig bracket will give your old jig the Armor advantage in one simple upgrade. This jig allows you to incorporate Armor's one-handed clamping technology into more aspects of your shop, but most importantly, can give your jig auto-adjusting capabilities in just a few minutes. Installation is simple. Remove the stock clamp from your jig by unscrewing these 4 screws. Replace it with the Armor Tool jig bracket using the same screws. Then attach your Armor Auto Adjust T-Track clamp to the bracket. Now your jig's been upgraded with Auto Adjust capabilities. No more resizing and estimating the correct thickness. Just clamp and go. This unique bracket can also give you unlimited clamping solutions when adapted for homemade jigs or mounted to a workstation. And the Armor T-Track clamp itself uses a standard 5/16 T-bolt that can fit most conventional T-Tracks, allowing for multiple uses. As with all Armor tools, the T-Track clamps feature our patented Auto Adjust technology that allows you to adjust to your desired clamping pressure, but can reach pressures up to 550 pounds if needed. Innovation, quality, and efficiency. Give your shop the Armor advantage and arm your shop with Armor Tools.
The work sawhorses with clamps are lightweight, durable, and a must-have for any DIYer. They weigh less than 16 pounds, but can easily hold loads up to 1,000 pounds. The 2 bar clamps easily attach to your sawhorses when not in use. And when you are using your bar clamps, they easily attach to your sawhorses without tools and will hold your material in a vertical position or a horizontal position up to 18 inches, and they keep your material sturdy and secure while you're working. The sawhorses have a built-in cord wrap and a convenient storage shelf to help keep your work area organized, and the sawhorses easily fold for compact storage. The work sawhorse's rugged durability and clamping capability make these a DIYer favorite.
Innovation has long been the hallmark of Irwin Tools. The next generation of Irwin Quick Grip one-handed bar clamps has arrived. New accessories and upgrades on Quick Grip family of one-handed bar clamps make them easier to use in multiple applications. Irwin's push button makes for faster and more fluid use to each clamp and streamlines utilization of accessories. Removable swivel jaws allow for new applications and enhance the ease of use. New wide pads double the width of the standard clamping pads, distributing the same clamping force across a wider surface area. With the medium and heavy-duty clamps, coupling them together is easier than ever. The bars connect together to increase the length of one-handed bar clamps for large-scale projects. The corner clamp accessory converts one-handed bar clamps into corner clamps that securely hold 90-degree angles with ease. The new hold-down jig accessory turns clamps into strong and sturdy table clamps to hold workpieces while sawing, cutting, or performing other tasks. The edge clamp accessory holds trim and edge work tightly in place, while being glued or affixed to work by other means. The stand accessory provides accurate level clamping power to projects that require parallel clamping at the same time. The deck tool allows clamps to help accurately and safely line up space and securely hold boards in place while laying decking. With the improved functionality of the next generation of Irwin Quick Grip one-handed bar clamps and the added flexibility of the clamping accessories, no project will be out of reach. Do more with Quick Grip.
The original gripper is an incredibly advanced push block, but would you believe it could get even more advanced? Seems unbelievable, but believe it. What makes the GR200 so advanced? Thought you'd never ask. It's the same as the original model, but it includes 2 additional accessories for more functionality, safety, and control. No other push block delivers this level of safety and versatility. It gives you 3 directions of control to prevent kickback and protect your hands from spinning blades. The powerful green grip on its adjustable legs controls your workpiece on both sides of the blade, giving you clean, effortless cuts. The adjustable spacer gives you more control by adding an extra inch of green grip to your gripper, and an extra inch of ripping capacity. Use it on the joiner for more traction when face joining. You can also use it on the bandsaw for better traction and a more comfortable grip when resawing material. Use it on the router table to protect your hands from exposed bits, or for better control when freehand routing. Next up, we have the stabilizing plate. The stabilizing plate gives you another point of contact to better stabilize your material. It acts like a dynamic featherboard, keeping the material parallel to the blade without applying unnecessary pressure into the blade. It also features a hook to help push small parts through the cut. That means more control and less burning and blade marks. If you have the original gripper and you want to get more advanced, I have good news for you. We offer an upgrade kit to turn your GR100 into a GR200 without having to buy the whole kit and caboodle. You're welcome. Make your woodworking more advanced with the GR200 Advanced Push Block. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today or to find a retailer near you. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
Cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal without the cord. Introducing the versatile new 18-volt lithium-ion cordless multi-tool. It's available as a kit or as a bare tool. The versatile new multi-tool delivers power, convenience, precision, and comfort for a variety of applications in a more compact size. The Makita-built motor delivers 6,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute with a 3.2-degree oscillation angle engineered for faster cutting. You'll get corded speed and power without the cord. The Makita multi-tool has a small diameter barrel grip and weighs only 4.5 pounds. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with star protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
Woodpecker's new shelf pin template covers all your bases, combining both inch and metric hole spacings for 1/4 inch or 5mm holes, and works with self-centering drill bits and router guide bushings. The Woodpecker shelf pin template is CNC machined from 3/8 thick phenolic material with 3/8 diameter holes that are compatible with most shelf pin drill guides and 3/8 router guide bushings. The shelf pin template is easy to use. It comes with 6 referencing pins, 3/4 inch and 3 5mm. One side is for inch spaced holes with 3 setbacks, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, and 2.5 inch. Flip it over and it's metric with 32mm spaced holes and one setback of 37mm. Let's drill some holes using the snappy shelf pin guide and our setback at 1.5 inches. The shelf pin template is symmetrical, so you rotate it to the back edge of your board and both sets of holes will line up perfectly. Now that was quick and easy, and the spacing of the holes looks great. Now let's use a 3/8 router guide bushing and plunge router with a 1/4 inch downcut spiral bit with a setback of 2 inches. For doing fine woodworking, this method will give you perfect holes. Like all Woodpecker brand tools, the shelf pin template is made right here in the USA.